So you accept what's there. And to the degree you're conscious of what's there, then accept what's there. Good, bad, and different. So it's just, okay, that's what's there. That's what's there. And then you continue to become more and more conscious of what's there. And you become conscious of stuff you didn't notice before. And become conscious of dynamics that you'd never noticed before. That you're engaged in, but you just never noticed it. Conscious of things that drive you or make you afraid that you didn't really notice before. Oh. And then just keep increasing in that way. But if it, so what I recommend is not to use this kind of freedom as something to beat yourself up about because you don't have it, but as if a template or a possibility that you can compare what's going on now to create the possibility of getting beyond what's going on now. See? It's like, okay, this is what's going on now, and I see, okay, I'm doing that. Boy, I want to do that. That's another thing, right? See? It's always useful to get, see, because you don't know. Say, I want to do it. I'm being miserable. I want to be miserable. See? I'm afraid. I want to be afraid. I'm angry. I want to be angry. Right? I'm intellectual. I want to be intellectual. See? Like this is the place. This is what's protecting me, or this is where I hide out, or whatever. So I want this. This is what works for me. This is how I've carved out my life, and I want to do that. And the dynamics that run. That's interesting. Anyway, the dynamics that run you or anyone, see, are in relationship to your survival. I've mentioned that before. Okay, see, they're in relationship to your self, the self you've crafted, the self you've built and become attached to. See, and so in large measure, as you yourself well know, a great deal of what you've become attached to is how you've learned to manage life, how you've learned to manage yourself. See, the stuff that you've adopted, ways of being in life that seem to work for you, or at least become you, and then that is a lot of what you're surviving. See, the how of it, the way you are. In any case, like I was saying, when you acknowledge, even if you can only just do it as intellectually at first, right? You acknowledge, I want to do this. Say, because like in contrast to freedom, you say, well, I keep doing this, I keep doing this, I keep doing this. See, so instead of like, I keep trying to be free, bad me, I keep doing this, I keep doing this, you see? Instead of that, you say, well, I want it, obviously. That's what I'm doing. For better or worse, and usually worse. And okay, what do I want from this? Why do I need this? Why do I need this reaction? Why do I need this fear? Why do I need this way of thinking? Why do I need this way of behaving? Whatever it is, you see, why do I need it? What am I getting out of it? What am I getting out of it? And what you're getting out of it will be something consistent with you existing in your mind, you see, your survival, yourself. See? So giving it up will seem like not a good idea. You see, it'll be like giving up yourself, and you don't want to give up yourself, right? See, but that's what the freedom is. It's giving up yourself, basically, all the stuff that you identify with. That's not absolutely you, but it's what you're doing, see, what you identify with. And so it's, as if nothing else, is like a tool. Then a tool to say, oh look, I want this. I don't want freedom. I want this. See, until you come to grips with why you want this, then you can't let go of it. You can't not do it. And there's lots and lots of powerful ones. See, And you know how strong it is? You. See? It's life. It's everything to you. See? I mean, there's a little thing here, a little thing there you can give up. You're giving stuff up, right? You've changed a little bit here and there. See, but the central stuff, yeah. So I wouldn't be me. That I don't want that. I want to be me.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.